Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Rituja. In the previous video, we understood the basic idea of time value of money. Why money today and money in the future are not the same. Today, we are taking the next step. Many students actually know formulas, still, they lose marks because they don't understand whether to calculate present value or future value. So, in this video, I will show you how to read the question correctly first and then solve it step by step. Now, let us start with our first example. Before writing any formula, the most important step is understanding the question. Here question is Aman has invested rupees 80,000 in a fixed deposit for 3 years at 10% per year. He wants to know the maturity value of his investment after 3 years. Now stop here. Don't write the formula yet. Let us understand what is given and what is asked. Rupees 80,000 is invested today. This is the current value. We are asked for the value after 3 years. This means we have to calculate the future value. So clearly, this is a future value question. Whenever current value is given and future value is asked, we use this formula. Fv is equals to Pv into 1 plus I raised to n, where Fv is equals to future value, Pv is equals to present value, amount invested today, I is equals to rate of interest, n is equal to number of years. Now let us write the values clearly. Here PV is equals to 80,000, I is equal to 10%, n is equals to 3 years. We have to convert percentage into decimal. 10% means 10 divided by 100. 10 divided by 100 equals to 0.1. So interest rate I equals to 0.1. Now substitute values in the formula. Fv is equals to 80,000 into 1 plus 0.1 raised to 3 equals to 80,000 into 1.1 raised to 3. Now students often panic here, but this is simple multiplication. 1.1 raised to 3 means 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1 equals to 1.331. Fv is equals to 80,000 into 1.331. Therefore, Fv is equals to rupees 1,06,480. So, the maturity value of Aman's investment after 3 years is rupees 1,06,480. Don't forget to write this final answer. Now let us move to the second example. Question. Naman will receive rupees 50,000 after 3 years. The rate of return is 10% per year. How much amount should Naman invest today to receive rupees 50,000 after 3 years? Again, stop and understand. Rupees 50,000 is received after 3 years. This is future money. The question is asking how much should to be invested today. So here future value is given and we have to calculate today's value. This is a present value question. For such questions we use this formula. Present value equals to Fv into 1 divided by 1 plus I raised to n, where PV equals to today's value, FV equals to future amount, I equals to interest rate, N is equals to time period. Putting values. Here, FV is equals to 50,000, I equals to 10%, that is 0.1, N is equals to 3. PV is equals to 50,000 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1 raised to 3. We have already calculated 1 plus 1, cube earlier, that is 1.331. Therefore, PV equals to 50,000 into 1 divided by 1.331 equals to 50,000 into 0.751. PV equals to rupees 37,550. Final answer line. Don't skip it. So, Naman should invest rupees 37,550 today to receive rupees 50,000 after 3 years. Notice something important. In the first example, we moved today to future. It's compounding. In the second example, we moved future to today. It's discounting. This is the core of time value of money. If you understand how to read the question first, numericals automatically become easy. Comment below if you want more such step by step problems explained.